Hey everyone, thank you for joining me in today's lesson from RiverGeeks. I'm Blake Palmer. This is the first video in a series that we're doing on two-dimensional hydraulic modeling in SMS. If you're a hydraulic modeler, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the rest of this series. I think you'll find it helpful. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a terrain in SMS. Okay, before I dive into SMS, let me just show you my file structure in Windows Explorer so you can see what I'm working with. This SMS folder, this is where I'm going to put my SMS project files. There's nothing here because I haven't created the SMS project yet. And then my GIS folder has my lidar that I've downloaded from NOAA, my DTM from the client. This is the ground survey data. And then the ortho, that's an aerial image. This information right here from NOAA, their website looks like this. You can click on elevation data and then zoom into your area, draw a box around it, and it'll give you several options to download lidar data. So let's open SMS and create a new project. Go File, Save New Project. You can save it wherever you want. I've got this folder created here, this SMS folder. We call this RiverGeeks. Save. Then you want to set your display projection. Use the global projection. I've got some recent projections here that I could use if I wanted to. If I did not, I could find it by going under Projected Coordinate Systems, State Plane, NAD 83 feet. I'm in Mississippi, zone east. Click on that, click OK, OK again, and my display projection is set. From there, I just need to bring in these files. I got my DTM. Whoa. Just click and drag it and drop. Okay, now I can bring in my lidar. Just drag and drop. And then my aerial image. Bring that in. A lot of good data here. Okay, so if you don't have a nice aerial image like this, don't sweat it. You've got an option here in SMS under File. You can add online maps, click on World Imagery, and then click OK. And within just a few seconds, you'll have aerial imagery wherever you could possibly need it. There you go. I like what we've captured more recently, so I've turned that off. Now what I want to do is I want to merge this lidar data with the survey data, but I can't do that in SMS unless they're both the same file type. So this survey data is a DGN, or I guess a DWG file, and then the lidar is TIFF, it's a raster. So I can't merge those together unless I create a scatter set from each one of them, which is really easy to do. You just right click, hover over convert, click on 2D scatter. This is a survey, so I'm going to name it that, click OK, boom, OK again. And then do the same thing for my lidar, right click, hover over convert to, click on 2D scatter. Click OK, and there's my lidar. Merging these two together is really easy, but before I do that, I want to look at my survey and point something out. Let me turn some things off here. All these long skinny triangles, it's better to get rid of those because my lidar set, even though it's 8 years old, is going to be more representative of the terrain than all these long skinny triangles between these points that were collected. So if you want to delete triangles, you can do that by clicking on the select triangle tool, pressing Control on your keyboard, click on left click, hold it, and then drag it wherever you want to go to select. And that did not do what I thought it would. Let me try that again. Control, left click, drag it up, release it, and then you can just delete from there. It's not looking like I deleted it because I've got the CAD data turned on, so I can turn that off And now my triangles are gone because I don't have them displayed. You can go to display options and fix that by turning on triangles. And now we're back to work here. Select triangle tool is activated, so press Control and then just drag and delete whatever long skinny triangles you don't want. Okay, so maybe you want to spend more time on that, but for demonstration I'm just going to show you how to merge these. So just go to Scatter, Merge Sets, select the scatter sets that you want to merge, give it a name, delete the lower priority scatter points, make sure the survey is on top. If it's not, you can just move it up or down here. I want the survey on top because I want to make sure that those subsurface points under the water, the bathymetric data, I don't want any of those points getting deleted whenever I merge this together. So I want that to be on top, and then I want to click OK. When SMS finishes merging everything, it's going to give you a merge report. You can check that out if you'd like. I'm going to close it just to show you some things here. I don't like the way this looks. You can't see what's going on. I want to turn my points and triangles off. Contours, turn that on. Check out my contours, color fill, and linear, and bump this up to about 20. Click enter. This is where those long skinny triangles were at the top. I can actually get rid of those by just trimming things up a little bit. I don't even need this area at the top, so I'm just going to delete all that. And then I'm going to turn my points back off and just look at my contours. What's going on here, I don't know, but at least now you can kind of see how to do this. Oh, look, we got a low point. You can just clean that up. Boom, boom, boom. Now, a little better. Okay, so that's how you merge scatter sets in SMS. Hope you found this helpful. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Look forward to this series. I'm going to eventually work through how to create a mesh in SMS. We'll run it. We'll look at scour, all the fun stuff. So stay tuned. Thanks.